They need a doctor visit. Tell me, doctor, am I really sick? He said I'm showing characteristics of being a snobby bitch. Yeah, I'm a pop.
Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a review slash swatch slash look using, hold on, wait, just wait. The new Jackie Aina ABH palette. So your girl took her birthday money, and went to Ulta and spent $45 on this beauty right here. Y'all, look at this box. Like, hold on, wait, there you go. The box alone is like, I just love Jackie Aina so much. Like, anybody who knows me knows, like, I watch her videos all the time. Like, I love me some Jackie. Like, oh my gosh, okay. I'm too excited. I feel like I've never been like this, like, you know, excited on my channel. But this is the box. Oh wait, there we go. This is the packaging right here. The thing I really like about the package is, like, if it gets dirty, because y'all know when we use makeup, like, the pack is gonna get dirty. This is an easy wipe off. Like, the last Anastasia palette that I had is like a fur on it, so it was like, once it's dirty, you know what I'm saying? So these are the colors that come in this palette, and honestly, they are so pretty. Like, so I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these for you guys so we can see the color payoff, the pigmentation, and see if they really, you know, hit the way they're supposed to hit. I just want to say, the pigmentation going crazy, like, but you should have already expected that from the queen herself, Jackie. What did you expect? Sis was gonna come through. Sis was gonna give y'all pigmentation. Sis was gonna give y'all color. Sis was gonna give y'all payoff. Sis was going to give y'all life. Period. Okay. So before I get started with the review of the eyeshadows slash the look with the eyeshadows, I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows and the rest of my face. Alright, y'all. So I went ahead and I did the rest of my face. So before I get started, I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyes with the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. I don't know if this had a primer. I think it did, but I just didn't buy it because I broke. So for my transition shade, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the color Ginger, and I'm just gonna blend that out all the way up to my brow bone. Also, I'm gonna be using the brush that came in the package. Since it's a full review, I was like, I might as well just go ahead and use the brush that came in the package. The shade that I'm using right here as basically my transition shade is Ginger, and it's actually going on pretty well. I really don't like brushes that come in the palettes, honestly. So when I swatched it, I got some of the Dwalas in it, so it's like giving off a shimmer, but that's my fault because I mixed it with the other one on accident. So next I'm gonna go in with the color Pinkier. Honestly, the only thing that I don't like is I don't like this brush. This brush is making me so mad. I know nobody ever uses the brushes that come in palettes, but I really wanted to, like, give a full rundown. Like, the payoff is amazing. Like, a little really goes a long way. So, like, I'm literally just, like, tap. I'm just doing that and, like, using whatever comes from the tap. You really don't have to dig into these. But Anastasia Beverly Hills has really good eyeshadows anyway. Like, I have two Anastasia palettes, and, like, I love Anastasia. Then to deepen up where I have this crease set right here, I'm gonna be going in with Big Wig, which is this purple color right here. Oh my god, like, yes. Giving me life. So far my favorite color is this Big Wig in here. I really like the way this looks. Like, this is stupid pretty. To cut this where it's already basically cut out, I'm just gonna use NYX white eyeshadow face. And I know you guys are like, why is your crease so small? Because honestly, The big cut creases all the way up here are like have not been working for me lately. I feel like this complements my eye just a little bit better than when I do it all the way up. So I don't know which color I should use next. I don't know if I want to like go with one of these shimmers or go with this like really pretty pink right here. This is such a pretty color. Like what the heck? I think towards the end of this I'm gonna put this color, the color Supreme, like towards the end. Get like a gradient effect going on with the Supreme and the Solio. I don't know. I'm gonna have such a hard time with that. But Solio. Jackie, slay my life. When I say like you just dab in this and like there's so much payoff, like it's crazy. I don't see how people put on their foundation and do their eyeshadow. Like it's so aggravating because like there's like a tiny bit of fallout from the Dwalas on under my eye. But I mean, it's kind of like a glittery shade. So I mean, I guess that's expected. But like, I cannot do my foundation first. Cannot. That's not my thing. Go back in and I'm gonna take that pinkier right here. I'm not gonna run on my eyes with it. I'm gonna go ahead and do my other eye and then put lashes on, and then I'll get back with y'all for my final thoughts. Alright y'all, so I went ahead and finished the other eye and put on lashes and mascara and lip gloss and all of that. This is the finished look. And my final thoughts, my final thoughts on this palette is like, Jackie. Baby, you did your thing. It's like, I really like this palette. Like, it's really pigmented and the colors are like, you really can do any type of look with this. You can do something simple, you can do something bold, you can do something intermediate, you can do literally anything. This palette is bomb, this palette is amazing. Like, why don't you have it already? Scrounge up your little $45 and go get it. I don't really have any cons about this palette. The only thing I can say I don't like about the palette is the brush. And I mean, duh, nobody likes the brush from the palette. So that's really irrelevant to everything. I like the palette. I honestly 10 out of 10 would recommend the palette. Personally, I love Jackie. And now I love this palette. So now I have another reason I love Jackie. Like. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the post notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. Woman with some twerk with off. I want a slim fine woman with some twerk with off. I want a slim fine woman with some twerk with off. I want a slim fine woman with some twerk with off.